Let's start with some basic terminology from SAE J3016. I'm referring to the April 2021 version of the standard. Be careful when you look for the standard to always get the latest version. These are summary definitions. If you need an authoritative, perfectly worded definition, you should always go to the standard. The first term is ODD, Operational Design Domain. The ODD is the environment the system is designed to work within. That would include not only geographic constraints, but also lighting, weather, and other factors of the environment that the system is intended to be able to handle. OEDR, Object and Event Detection and Response. This is generally the idea that the vehicle is looking at what's happening around it and planning responses to it. That includes not only the roadway environment, but also other objects such as other vehicles, vulnerable road users, and so on. DDT is the dynamic driving task. That's when the vehicle actually does the driving. That includes moving the vehicle, both in speed and direction, performing the OEDR, and planning to avoid crashes. An ADS, an automated driving system, is a computer-based system that is able to completely perform the dynamic driving task DDT. This means that in normal conditions, one puts an ADS into a vehicle and the ADS's job is to perform the dynamic driving task at least. That gets you an SAE Level 3 or higher vehicle. Fallback is operating the vehicle when something goes wrong. For example, if the ADS fails or you exit the ODD, there may be a need for a driver to take over operation of the vehicle. That's called a fallback operation. Finally, MRC, Minimal Risk Condition. This is the idea of bringing a vehicle eventually to a stop as part of a fallback operation. Summarizing these terms, an automated vehicle operates within an operational design domain. It performs Object and Event Detection and Response, OEDR, as well as controlling the vehicle. Those two things together give you the dynamic driving task, which is performed by the automated driving system. If something goes wrong, a fallback operation is required to bring the vehicle to a minimal risk condition.